Hey everyone, my name is Deepak, and today I'll be telling you the step-by-step process of how you can create your birthday images using Nano Banana. So what I've done, I have created two master prompts for you, super prompt. What I will do, I will just copy this wonderful prompt. I will go to Google Gemini. I have already uploaded the reference image of a woman. I will just paste the prompt, and you need to make one change. You have to just change this number, your age. If your age is 30, 29, I have taken it 29. So what I will do, I will just select the create image option, Nano Banana, and I will hit on generate. This is a very powerful prompt that I have created. Sorry, this is a very powerful prompt. We'll be exploring with the second prompt as well. I have created a second prompt also. This is very trending on the internet. It is loading, generating the image. Let's see. It has generated. See this. Nearly 29 to 30% same it has generated. Sorry, 70 to 80%. See this. Now what I will do, I will just uh, take the reference image once again. I will just copy this image, right click, copy, and go to Google Gemini. I will just paste it, and I will copy the second prompt. Go to Google Gemini. I have uploaded the reference image. I will just hit on enter. We'll follow our daily ritual. I will show you once again how you can create the same prompt. What I will do, I will just download this image which I generated from Gemini, go to ChatGPT, and tell it to give me the prompt of the image professionally. This is a very simple hack. You can also do it by yourself and you can see the results. We have covered this 3 4 times in our previous videos. See this. What I will do, I'll just copy the prompt. I will go to Google. By that time, we'll see the second image. See this. What a wonderful image it has created. See this. Second image. This is perfect for your birthday photos. What I will do, copy this image again. Go to Google Gemini. Sorry. Upload this image. Copy this prompt and paste this prompt and hit on generate. It will take 15 to 30 seconds for the image to be generated. Now let's wait. It is generating. Doesn't take that much time. See this. Nearly same image. This is the second image. This is the first image. Only difference is that this is a little bit dark image and this is a little bit light image. More light is there in the first image and there is little bit dark in the second image. See this. You can see it by yourself. We can compare this image, and this image. See this. This is the power of prompting and tricks. I will be sharing this docs at the end of the video. Don't worry. This both prompts where I will be sharing it with you. That's it from my side, and thank you for listening.